All right. So when you're solving a system of equations using substitution, first step says find the easiest variable to solve for and get it by itself. So you're looking for a variable that doesn't have anything with it, or if all the variables have a number with it, then you may choose the variable that's in the equation where all the numbers are even, and that variable has a 2 with it. So when you divide, it's all whole numbers. You know, when you use ratios. But in this problem, what variable is easiest to solve for? X in the first equation because it's already solved for.
Right.
Yeah, I don't have to do anything to solve. It's already there. Okay. So that's the first part. Find the variable that's easy to solve for and get it by itself. Success. You've already done that. Okay. Second step. Begin substituting what you know and define the values you do not know. We know that x equals y plus 4, so we're going to replace the x in that second equation with y plus 4.
Right. Any thoughts on that?
I do not have any paper. Sorry. All right.
Don't you right see it, because you do that a lot.
I don't do much erasing anymore.
What's that?
I just go down further. All right. So, right here?
Yeah.
Yes. Y plus 4. It's what's up here. All right. So at this point, all I've done is replaced the x with the y plus 4. Now, at this moment, I do want to get y by itself because I now have an equation. Sorry, I thought I'd have to talk over people again. Either way, you still have to be quiet. I'm sorry. At this point, we got an equation that just has y in it, and so we're going to solve for y. So I got to distribute the 2. So 2y plus 8 plus 3y equals 43. So the 2y plus 8 came from 2 times y and 2 times 4. When I distributed. Next step, combine your like terms of 2y and 3y. This gives you 5y. And then to finish solving for y, I need to get rid of that 8 by subtracting it from both sides. Five y equals 35. And then I would divide both sides by 5 and get y equals 7. Alright, so y equals 7. Now, you now have a value again, something you know. So you're going to take what you know and plug it in to find things you don't know. We don't know what the value of x is, so I'm going to take that 7 and plug it in for y in this equation. And so x equals 7 plus 4, so x is equal to 11. So my solution is x comma y, so it's 11 comma 7. Yes? Probably. I mean, I don't know what that looks like right now.
Dang.
Yeah. It's usually gonna be pretty cold, or yeah, pretty cold for me not to allow. Somebody else could do a problem like 28, so I'll make this one, it's similar to 28. So. Which variable is the easiest to solve for here?
X.
X on the top equation. Okay, because all I need to do at that point is just add y to both sides. Okay, so if I add y, if I add y here and add y here, then I get x equals 3 plus y. X equals 3 plus y. And now, once I've done that, it's exactly the same way I did the first problem. I'm going to take this 3 plus y, plug it in for this x. So 2 times 3 plus y plus 2y equals 2. Okay. And then at this point, you distribute and you find your like terms. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times y is 2y. So I got 6 plus 2y plus 2y equals 2. Combine your y's. You get 6 plus 4y equals 2.
Do you,
Subtract the 6 first, and then divide by 4. And so 4y equals negative 4. And then y equals negative 4. To get the x, I'm going to take that negative 1 and plug it in for y right here. So x equals 3 plus a negative 1. So x equals 2. So 2 negative 1 is my solution. No, they are beside each other.
but in the other one, they're not. They're like terms.
The only thing you got to worry about is are they on the same side of the equal sign. It doesn't matter if they're side by side or the correct are as long as they're on the same side. If they're not, then instead of like if I had something like this, then this is when you have to do the opposite. You don't just combine the 2y and the 3y. You actually have to say minus 2y minus 2y. So then you can combine, but you combine it by changing the sign if they're on opposite sides.
All right, can you do one more?
Not right this moment. I want you to get started on the work. But I will probably do another one before we get out of here. Okay? So, if you do not have a computer, you need to come see me. If you do not have a laptop, you need to come see me. Probably both of those things.